what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm replacing the valve cover on my car just because it was leaking and it was dropping a lot of oil. So if you have a 94 to a 2001 or so Integra, this should help you guys. Alright, so stay tuned and watch me struggle. The first steps you're gonna have to do is obviously take the spark plugs out, which I already did. Then you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 bolts right there. So you're gonna 11, 12. Sorry. So it's gonna be at 10 millimeters, so it should be easy if you know where the 10 millimeter is, because it took me a fat minute for me to find it. So yeah, so once you unplug all the bolts, the cap should come off, and yeah, you should be able to replace the gasket. I already took mine out. Should go right there. Some people use gasket sealer, which I don't know if it helps or not, but I've never used it. In the cars that I've done the gasket, it works fine. So it's really up to you guys if you guys want to use the sealer or not. Alright guys, I couldn't record the process just because it started raining and I didn't want to get what's called the camera wet, so do apologize. I mean, it's very simple. Once you take everything off, just take the valve cover off and yeah, just follow through. What I always like to do is always check to see if there's any oil leakage after you put in the gasket. You know, as you can see, there's no leaks. And like I said, if you guys want to use the head gasket sealer or whatever, feel free to use it. I never do, just because I'm really cheap and I'd rather keep those $4 to myself. So yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for today. I'm not the best at doing this, working on cars and all that stuff, but I do try. So hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, good. If it didn't, pues fuck it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video, alright?